Bangladesh sees record duration of heat wave this year in last 75 years of history. The heat wave has been going on for 25 consecutive days, breaking all previous records, which may increase in a few more days. Earlier, it lasted 23 days in 2019 and 18 days in 2023, which were longer in terms of duration of continuous heat wave in the country. Meteorologists said although El Nino had an effect on global warming, the main cause is man-made. Mild heat waves started in the country from April 1st this year, which then takes the form of moderate, severe and extreme heat waves. Since then, there is continuous heat wave is going on all over the country till today. Meteorologists say that this heat wave has exceeded all records of country's history because since 1948, the maximum heat wave duration was 23 days in 2019, followed by 18 days in 2023.
1, 2, 3 ঢাকায় জমি জিতে নিন 100% ক্যাশব্যাক সহ 20 কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।